You are not a bank.
Yes.
Your banking services are provided by Choice Financial and Evolve Bank.
Yep.
So explain how you've been able to benefit this week from SVB's situation.
Yeah, so you can go to mercury.com and get a bank account. We work with two partner banks, Choice and Evolve, but we provide a full kind of suite of banking services. You can get checking account, wires, debit card, credit card, venture debt. We launched about 4 years ago. We've been kind of successfully doing this. We have about 100,000 businesses that use Mercury.
It is 9:17 local time on Friday, 12:17 in New York. At this moment, give me a dollar value for the business that you've brought in this week.
Oh, it's been above $2 billion so far.
And that equates to deposits, or?
Yes, and deposits.
Okay,
Caro.
Immad, you've explained, of course, very succinctly there, your business and the partner banks that in particular you lend upon or use. I'm just interested as to now insurance. Everyone must be coming to you saying, am I FDIC insured? And when you go to the website, it shows that actually you can be insured up to 5 million in terms of deposits. Understand for our audience how this is protected in particular.
Yeah, so we're not a bank, so we don't take these deposits and lend them out. We work with our partner banks, and they have a network of sweep banks underneath them. So in order to provide 5 million in FDIC insurance, that's split between 20 banks. What we heard, actually last week we had about $1 million in FDIC insurance, so we've increased it by 5x, and that's obviously 20x bigger than what you would get at one bank.
Yeah.
We heard people were really concerned about what's happening and is their money safe at Mercury, and obviously I can say it's safe, but providing that extra assurance with FDIC insurance on their deposits helps a lot.
I think, Caro, the main point you and I have discussed all week, right, is that diversifying, A, was something no one had thought about early enough, but B, there were benefits to going to traditional banks and some startups that offer different things to the traditional banks.
And Immad, to that point, you are offering actually access to money market funds, but they're not your money market funds, it's Vanguard's, for example. You're offering, therefore, to split up people's deposits and spread them across, well, a range of other lenders. Why come to a middleman? Why come to a Mercury when you're worried about the security of all these lenders?
Yeah, so Mercury is a software provider. I mean, at the end of the day, if you're buying a Vanguard fund, you can obviously go to Vanguard, or you can go to E-Trade, or you can come to Mercury to do it. We just make it very simple. These business owners have a lot on their mind. They just want to build their business. They don't want to be thinking about, where's my money? We can do things like automatically set up rules. So when you need more operational account money, it automatically sweeps between the Vanguard fund to your normal operational fund. So we make it very simple and easy. And Mercury's actually not in the money flow at all. We're not a custodian. We're not a bank. We are an enabler to these companies and to the kind of financial institutions behind the scene.
You're backed by CRV, Andreessen, Quatu. You raised at a $1.6 billion valuation in 2021.
Yep.
You raising now?
No, we're profitable. We're making money every month, so we're.
Do people want to write you a check? How many people are knocking on the door?
I've had lots of VCs reach out this week, but it's just been so busy. I'm like, this is not the right time to be trying to talk to me.